Everyone's talking about growth, but the real question is, where will India's next big leap come from? Can India's manufacturing sector rise to power the nation's next era of prosperity? As global supply chains shift and technology transforms production, India stands at a pivotal moment to move from a service-led economy to a manufacturing powerhouse. But what will it take? Better infrastructure or bold innovation? Policy reforms or skilled manpower? Can Make in India truly become made for the world? Join the debate. Can the manufacturing sector in India become stronger? On 18th November 2025, Tuesday, at 7 PM IST. Voices from dozen diamonds come together to explore how manufacturing can redefine India's economic destiny. Watch the product development team face off against the marketing team as they debate, can the manufacturing sector in India become stronger? Don't just listen. Challenge the answers. Debate link in the description.